welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. Today I'll be showing you guys these clip-ins that I got from Curlsqueen hair. They sent me some goodies along with their 22 inches of their Yaki clip-ins. Their goodie bag consists of a hairbrush, a bonnet, and some extra clip-ins. They also sent me a thank you card, and they also sent a brochure on how to take care of your hair, or if you needed to send it back, this is what the brochure consists of. The clip-ins came in this silk bag. Let's go ahead and take the clip-ins out. They were so thick and full from roots to the end. The clip-ins had like the perfect thickness to add to your own natural hair. They did come all together, so I'm just going to cut this thing off and I'm going to open them up and show you how they look. They did have different sizes of clip-ins, so the longer clip-ins would go in the back and the shorter clip-ins would of course go at the top. And I love that because you can use the shorter clip-ins to fill in the sections at the top for, you know, a little bit of fullness. Now for the goodie bag that we got in the package, they sent us over a brush. They sent us some extra clips for the clip-ins. And they also sent a bonnet, which I really love because it had like a drawstring on the back. Now let's get this hair prepped and ready for our clip-ins. I decided that I wanted to do a side part. My hair has already been pressed out. It has been like a week or 2 weeks since I had my hair pressed out. And the roots of my hair are kind of, you know, thick and coarse a little bit. So it's best for your roots to have a little texture to it than to be fine. That way the clip-ins will last and they'll stay in for as long as you need them to. Now that I've got my part where I would like it to be, I'm just now going to go ahead and measure the long clip-ins in the back of my head to see if they'll fit when I start sectioning my hair. Since this clip-in fits perfectly, I'm just going to go ahead and part off my hair at that exact same place where I just measured the clip-in. The whole bundle of clip-ins consists of 10. So I'll be showing you guys how I part my hair out 10 different ways to install all of my clip-ins. After I've parted the section where I'm going to put the clip in, I just pin my natural hair up. And I'm going to go ahead and take my clip-ins and I'm going to open the clips on them before I, of course, install them. So I'm just showing here how I'm opening the clips. And now I'm taking the clip in and I'm just going to slide it into my roots of my hair and I'm just going to clip it in. Now that the clip-ins are in, I kind of push down on them a little bit to see if they'll slide. But when they're not sliding or budging or anything, that's how you know you installed them correctly. So I'm just going to go ahead and repeat the same exact thing that I did for the last clip-in for this next one. I also wanted to let you guys know why I love these clip-ins so much. My natural hair is not super thin, but in some areas it is thin. So when I added these clip-ins to some of the areas in my head, like it just made my hair look so much thicker and fuller. And you also couldn't even see where my hair was. Like these clip-ins blended with my natural hair so well. Clip-in placement is very important. So I'm just showing you guys where I'm placing my clip-ins. Now let's move on to the next section. Now that we have completed the back, I'm just gonna start working my way up. So I'm gonna part my hair on the side and I'm gonna install these clip-ins on the side. My hair is a little thinner in the front, as you can see. So I'm just placing the clip-in there so it can look a little bit more full. After I install the clip-in, I kind of pull on it and give it like a little tug just to see if it'll slide, but it never does. So that's when you know you've done it right. I'm just now going to freshen up my side part so I can make sure it is where I want it to be. And I'm going to just start working on the sides of my head now. So guys, here where I'm parting my hair out is a great example of the thin part of my hair that I don't like in the front. But when I add the clip in, it just adds so much more thickness and fullness to it, which I love. Since I do like my side part kind of heavy and I like it to fall on my face, I'm just kind of parting my hair in the way that I know like the clip-ins are gonna fall down like in my face. This is honestly like the best texture of clip-ins that I've ever had. These Yaki textured clip-ins really blend very nice with the natural texture of my hair. Now, the smaller the clip-ins get, I'm just parting my hair going in more of like a in my face downward motion because I want the clip-ins to be more in my face and kind of close to my part. Now that we are done with the clip-in install, I'm just gonna show you guys the natural state of these clip-ins. Wow, you can't even see my natural hair. Now let's go ahead and get ready to blend our clip-ins with our natural hair. So I'm just gonna section my hair and I'm gonna take my flat iron and press my hair straight. Look how seamlessly these clip-ins blending, y'all. Do y'all see that? This next clip is after I pressed my clip-ins out. I just wanted to give you guys a real honest opinion. Y'all, these clip-ins go crazy, okay? When I tell y'all these clip-ins are like the best, they're thick from roots to ends, super full, super natural. Ugh. Like, do y'all see this? I'm gonna do my baby hairs in just a second, but I just want to show y'all how thick, like, this looks like my real hair. Like, do y'all see this? My real hair growing from my scalp. Like, let me show y'all the back. The back of the hair. And how it's blended so well. Like, crazy. Crazy. Like, do y'all see this? Boo. You cannot see through it. You can't see through it at all. That's how you know it's so full. Like, OMG. Y'all, this is like my real hair. Definitely about to be a clip-in girly. Definitely. Like, look at this. I'm about to do my baby hairs. Hold on. When it comes to your baby hair, you just do it like regular. So I took my edge brush and some edge control, and I'm gonna go ahead and just slick my edges back. Now that I'm all done with doing my edges, I'm just combing my hair down. And let me say, I'm in love with these clip-ins. Y'all, look how full my hair looks. And it's so long. I just love it. The clip-ins feel just like my natural hair. They're so sleek and silky. Like, I was definitely feeling myself after this. But look at that bounce. Here's a little close-up on my edges and how polished everything looks. And then I'm going to show you guys how this hair bounced. Like, look at this. I hope you guys love this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe for more DIY content. Make sure you visit Curlsqueen. The link will be in the description so you can purchase you some of these Yaki clip-ins. Use code CDBC to save money off. Thank you, Curlsqueen, for sending me these beautiful clip-ins. I'm so in love with them. They look so natural, just like my natural hair, and I'm in love. I'll see you guys on the next video. Mwah.